Morning guys, it is May 5th, 2020. It's a Tuesday morning. I'm here in Williston, Vermont at the rest area. Just got done walking. Got almost 2 miles in here in the little parking area here. So anyway, we just made our breakfast. I think on today's video I'm going to show you a hike I did last Monday, April 27th. So it was a week ago yesterday I did. And yeah, had a good time. It was a little rainy and whatnot. So if you're not really into the hiking, you could probably tune out now. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. We'll see you in a little bit. Hey, it's Monday afternoon, April 27th, I think, 2020. And decided to not leave to go to work this afternoon. I'm just going to leave early in the morning. Only reason being is I don't have a load for Wednesday, so I don't have to be in such a hurry. So I'll do a load for tomorrow, and then I'll do one for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Right now we're hiking on a trail called Vroman's Nose. It's only about 2 miles, so should have a really good view. We'll get up here to the top. Yeah, the trail's pretty muddy, but it has been raining since yesterday. Actually, my house, we got snow. And we had the power go on and off all night. I think a lot of tree limbs were coming down with the heavy wet snow and the wind. No snow here though. Yeah, I think we're getting near the top, guys. I can see a lot of open sky out in front of me. There should be a pretty good view here. Should have a nice view of Schoharie Valley here. This is Schoharie County, New York. We're in, I guess this is West Middleburg. The trail's actually in West Middleburg. So, almost to the top. Quite the drop off there. It's about as close as I want to get to the edge. Oh, here's the payday. Yeah. That, my friends, behind me is about a 400-foot drop off the edge of that cliff. I'm close enough. Close enough right here. Big chicken, right? And I am by myself, so. Wow. Oh yeah, nice views, nice hike. Another rainy day. I'm the only one here. This is a very popular hiking trail. It's short and gets a lot of visitors. Obviously, there's paths are all worn in, a lot of garbage around. It's too bad people don't clean up after themselves. But still spectacular, even on a rainy day. Spectacular views down to the valley below. That's the Schoharie Valley down in there. Gorgeous. I bet it'd be really nice here on a fall day, but it'd be crowded. I think we're coming up to the point, the part that looks like the nose from down in the valley. Looks like somebody's nose sticking off the side of the mountain here. Yeah, because we're kind of going out, away from the side here. Just kind of going out here. You definitely want to watch your footing. I'm staying well back from the edge. It's a long drop. Yeah, you don't want to come here if you're scared of heights. That's a long ways right off this edge right here. Wow. What a view though. What a view. Nice. Yeah, I bet you there's people that go and stand on that rock right there. Not me, buddy. Yeah, kind of steep right here. Coming down. There we go. Alright, so we're back at the junction. We went up that trail over there. We just came down this trail over here. So it's a loop. Yeah, so we've been 1.5 miles, so we got another 3 or 4/10 of a mile. We'll be back at the car. There's a register box. Yeah, so he's still supposed to be using the trail registers during the coronavirus. You gotta bring your own pen though. I don't have my pen, so I'll have to remember that. Bring a pen with me. And my hand sanitizer. Yeah, it's good to sign in and out because then they know how many people are using the trail. And they can get more funding to take care of it. So a lot of people use this trail. Seen a lot of garbage up there though. Cups. wrappers, doggy poop bags. People need to learn to pick up after themselves. Alright, so that's where we were, up on this peak right up here on top. And the parking lot's back down over here somewhere. So you walk up through the woods, up around the top and back down again. Yeah, I saw that. I saw these scrapes in the rocks they were talking about. Yeah. Alright, so that was a nice little hike. Get some of this mud off me here. Yeah, 1.7 miles. 1.7 miles. Let's see. Let's see what our elevation was. 450 foot elevation change. 1.67 miles. An hour and 47 minutes. That's all right. There's a lot of great views to stop and look at. That's what took me so long. Good thing I got a raincoat with me. All right, so that's into today's hike. We're gonna head home now and got to go to work early in the morning. So we're gonna get to bed pretty early tonight and start another work week. Okay, guys, we'll see you later. Take care. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that hike. I'm all the way back down here in Fulton now. I've done my drop and hook already. I'm just double checking my pins here on my trailer after I slid the tandems. So we're good to go there. Yeah, we're gonna make our way back up to Plattsburgh at least. I had made pretty good time down here to Fulton today, so I may even be able to go all the way back over into Vermont, over to the rest area. I don't know yet. But in any case, we're gonna have our dinner right now. We're at a 30-minute break, and then we're gonna be heading out. So if I stay in Plattsburgh, I'll probably walk along the lake tomorrow morning. If I don't, I guess I gotta walk around the rest area again if I go back over to Vermont. Okay guys, that's it. I am done for the day. I did make it up to Plattsburgh and getting ready to take my 10-hour break here. And tomorrow's another day. Thanks for joining me. Leave me a comment. Please subscribe if you would. And we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Be well. Bye for now.